Hello students, on that day I have completed the combined law or ideal gas equation. Only a revision I am giving to you that in a step 1 P1 V1 P2 V2 is coming, and when we have to find out this Px means V2, that is we will find out P1 V1 upon P2. Okay, so this is only the revision. Okay, you can see this thing also. After that it will come as PV upon T, that is the constant K will come here. If we will using the alternative derivation of the gas equation, then we will do like this: PV is equals to nRT. First of all, V is inversely proportional to 1 upon P. According to Charles law, V is directly proportional to T, where P is remain constant, and according to Avogadro law, P is directly proportional to N. So we combine these things. V is directly proportional to NT upon P, and we can say PV, this PV will go on this one side. PV is inversely proportional to NT, or PV is equals to nRT. This R is a constant proportionality, and we can say in a 1 mole PV is equals to RT. So about the this one we can find out like this, and we are putting the units of it. After that, R is coming as work upon mole into temperature. So after this it will come as, you can write down in a copy, it will come at last, it is said it is 8.314 joules mole inverse K inverse, or we can say 0.0831 bar decimeter cube mole inverse K inverse. This is the values you have to write down, and some NCERT questions are also there. These things you can write down in your copy. Fine, these are the numericals are there. Now I will start the next topic. The next topic is the Dalton law of partial pressure. In this one, what will happen? The total pressure exerted by a mixture of two or more non-reacting gases. First of all, we will take two or more non-reacting gases. Then what is the total pressure of those gases? Is a definite volume. It will come in a definite volume, means in a same volume, will equal to the same sum of the same individual, means pressure is also be the same, which each gas would exert if it occupy the same volume allowed at constant temperature. So what will happen? Gas also they will occupy more same when the temperature and the pressure is remain same. So we can say P1 V1 P total is equals to P1 plus P2 P3 plus, or goes on. The diagram is coming as this one, Dalton's law partial pressure. Fine students. After this we will make a derivation of its partial pressure. If we will say as PA plus PV, this will come as 0.75 bar. In mole fraction, if we will do with the N, so X1 is equals to N1 upon N, and then XA we can take Na upon Na plus Nb, XB Nb upon Na plus Nb, P1 nRT upon B, P2 nRT upon V, P3 nRT upon V, and on N side we will put 1 2 3. So we will do the sum. After putting the sum, these values we will put here, and we will put on a one side, and then what the thing is left, RT upon V. Then we will divide. After dividing P1 upon P total, this is coming as N1 upon N1 plus N2 N3, and RT upon V into V upon RT. So overall it is coming as, you can say it is coming as P1 upon P total X1, or P1 is equals to X1. This is a partial pressure. The diagram also make it in a copy, this one. After this, one or two numericals you can do in your copy. From here you can see the numericals. Okay, see the numericals of it. Partial pressure is over. Our next our topic is, for a second please wait a minute, I will see in the syllabus what is the next topic. Graham's law. So we start the kinetic gas equation. In a kinetic gas equation, what we will say? They are saying in a kinetic gas equation, PV is equals to 1 upon 3 m nu, n number of moles volume, and here the bar is there, so we can say where n is the number of molecules in volume, m is the mass of molecules, and this u is the velocity known as the root mean square velocity. We can say this is the root mean square velocity. And how we have to find out? We will do like this. EK means kinetic, we have taken 1 upon 2 m n u square. PV kinetic gas equation we will put this one. Then overall it is coming as PV is equals to 2 upon 3 EK. When we are comparing these two equations, it will come as EK upon 3 2 upon nRT. After this equation is fulfilled, this equation is coming as what they are saying: the average kinetic energy per molecules can be obtained by dividing both sides by the Avogadro number. When we are dividing with the Avogadro number, that is 6.022. So overall it is coming in a one molecules 3 RT upon 2 Na is equals to 3 upon 2 kBT. Okay, where is K? We can say as K is R upon Na, which is called as Boltzmann constant. You can see here it is said to be the Boltzmann constant. After this Boyle's law we have completed. Boyle's law. Boyle's law we will do this one also. You can write down this one. Okay. Now Charles law also we have completed. Okay. Temperature remain constant. Already completed, but if you want to do in a this way, you can write down in a this way also. Dalton law, what they are saying, the total pressure of a gas would be the sum of partial pressure of the gas. Means what is the total pressure is coming, same as the partial pressure will be there. Okay, so till now write down in your copy and have a nice day.